The operation showed. First, put the handle and the control stick in the right place. Make sure drill's material quality. Choose the suitable grading wheel to use. Original machine provides the CBN grading wheel. The highest material quality is suitable for the CBN grading wheel. The tungsten steel material quality is suitable for the SD grading wheel. The drill's material quality usually is highest. There are 6 steps. Step 1. Adjust the score. And first, roll right to the end of score knob, and then roll left to the size fitting of diameter of grading drill. Step 2. Choose the suitable plate. Put and insert in the click chuck knock 2. While inserting and putting the click chuck knock 2 in the plate, the plate must be put after sloping first, while inserting the neck of plate. Step 3. Installing screens of the whole click chuck set C. Put the fist base 1 and click chuck knock 2 together first. Then put the drill in and lock it. When you are locking, remember keep some space for the drill to adjust. Step 4. Adjust the point angle of the drill. 1. First put the whole click chuck set C into adjusted seat D. After totally close fitting, and roll the fist base 1 to the right side. 2. The drill reaches the inmost place of the adjusted seat D. Roll the drill to the right. 3. Roll the click chuck knock to right and lock the drill tightly. After this action, please take out the click chuck set C. Please make sure the drill edge and the fist base 1 chamfer place is parallel. If it's not, please do step 4 again until they all parallel. Step 5. Grading drill bit. The score is 90 degrees to 135 degrees. The drill bit generally is 118 degrees.
Step 5. Grinding drill bit. Turn on the power. Put the clay chuck CNC into point angle grinding seat E. Make sure the clay chuck CNC chamfer place aimed at the point angle grinding seat E P. Rotate to the right side. Push it reach grinding wheel lightly. Swing from up to down until the grinding sounds disappear. Then the clay chuck CNC rotate to left side. Push it reach grinding wheel lightly. Swing from up to down until the grinding sounds disappear too. Take out click chuck CNC. Turn in 180 degrees upside down. Put it in and make sure chamfer place and pin again. Swing from up to down until the grinding sounds disappear.
Step 6. Grading chisel edge of the drill. Put the click chuck set C into chisel edge grading seat F. Make sure click chuck set C chamfer place aimed at the chisel edge grading seat F pin. Then push it reach grading wheel lightly. This time we swing from left to right until the grading sounds disappear. Take out click chuck set C. Turn it 100 degrees upside down. Put it in. Same way grading until the grading sounds disappear too. Adjuster grading chisel edge. You can always do the adjustment by your diamond. Usually the chisel edge a thickness of 7 mm. Replacement of the grading wheel. Make sure the power off. Pull out the electric wheel. Safety first. 1. Loosen the screw from the machine. Open the top. 2. Loosen fist grading wheel screw to change wheel. Take out the old one. Put in the new one. The wheel can be used now. Replacement of the fuse. Make sure the power off. Pull out the electric wheel. Safety first. Take out the fuse box. Change a new fuse. And put it back. It can be used.